balance aluminum nitrate, aluminum plus nitrate ion, giving you AlOH whole 4 1 negative plus ammonia. So first in basic medium, so first of all we are assigning oxidation number to each. Aluminium here 0, here plus 3. Okay, nitrogen here plus 5 oxidation state, here minus 3. So here increase by 3 oxidation number, so we will release 3 electrons over here. I have done here. Okay, so then only it will be oxidized, because oxidation number is increased, then only it will become plus 3. Okay, so this is neutral, so if we are writing 3, so 3 positive charge, 3 electron cancel, then whole species will be no charge. Now NO3 1 negative, here it is having plus 5 oxidation state, here minus 3, so there will be how much number line you go for that, minus 2 3, here 0 also. At that moment we will see that there will be 8 electrons are gained by nitrate. Okay, that is why this now 8 electron here, so oxidation number is balanced over here. Here it is plus 5 and it is here minus 3. Okay, so in this way we will see that now don't forget about this. Now after writing this, then only I have written 9, because 8 electron having negative charge and 1 negative charge, this, so total 9 negative charge are there. So to balance charge in step 4, I put 9 of OH hydroxyl group over here, because reaction is taking place in basic medium. Clear to you? Reaction is taking in place in basic medium. That is why we put OH negative here. Now H is more here. How many? 9 and 3, 12. So what we will do? We will add water molecule to at that moment. In this case, to nitrate ion. Here see, 12 water molecule over here. Now this reduction half is balanced. Okay, NO3 1 negative, 8 electron, 6 H2O. Here NH3. Plus 9 of OH negative. So atoms and charges are balanced. Now we have to see that here 8 electrons transjected, and in this case aluminum there are 3 electron tranjection. So what we will do, we multiply this equation by 8 and this equation by 3. So I did it here. See here, after multiplying, so this is 4 OH negative Al plus AlOH whole 4 1 negative and 3 electron, multiply it by 8 and this by 3, and on adding, so multiply this, so we get this equation. Write down that equation. Okay, 32 OH negative plus 8 Al plus 8 of AlOH whole 4 1 negative plus 24 electron nitrate also you have to write down, and then add them together. So you will get this balance equation. Write it down. Okay, very easy, just you have to practice. Here OH 32